When racking a kettlebell, we often see three issues. Number one is shrugging while racking the bell. Number two is having a flying elbow that comes away from your shoulder. And number three is side bending. And so today we're going to go over one exercise for each of these mistakes. A one-arm plank is a great option to teach yourself how to anti-shrug while also staying solid in your trunk so you don't get side bend or shrug when racking your kettlebell. What you're going to do is get in a push-up position with your feet wider than your shoulders. So we're down here, our feet are wider than our shoulders. I'm going to be supporting myself with my right arm, so I'm going to actively pull my shoulder away from my ear. I'm going to brace my trunk, and I'm going to touch my right shoulder with my left hand. And we're going to go a 5 count. Then we're going to switch, so we're going to anti-shrug the other side, and we're going to make a 5 count. All the while trying not to rotate your hips. You're going to go for 3 sets of 5 repetitions on each hand, and then you're going to try to re-rack your kettlebell. To address the side bending mistake that we see when people are using kettlebells, I like to just cue somebody to stand up really tall, see if that helps. But if it doesn't, we're then going to train marching in place with a racked kettlebell. As you're changing your base of support, you're challenging your trunk to stay upright. Now this can be very helpful if somebody has a mirror to look in, or if you can show them which way they're tilting. Now if you do have a mirror, you're going to march in front of it while keeping a straight torso up to 1 minute. When racking the kettlebell, if somebody has a difficult time keeping a vertical forearm, I will often have them go into a pec stretch. So they're going to find a doorway. I have my squat rack. And you're going to get your elbow at or above your shoulder level. From here, we're going to step through until we feel a nice gentle stretch in the front of our shoulder and chest. You're going to hold this for 30 to 60 seconds, and this is going to help you gain external rotation so you can hold a more vertical position and not have a flying elbow.